Hi, today I want to show you a package that I have created. The package is in fact a blade component. It's a blade component for easy image manipulation. It gives you the capability to serve images that are hosted in private folders like your storage folder, folders that are not public accessible for your web server. It also gives you the possibility to resize images without coding by using the height and width attributes. It gives you the possibility to resize public hosted images without coding, or images from other websites without coding, and it automatically caches your images. The first thing you have to do is installing it, so we will composer require the package. Okay, we are set. Now we will implement the tag. It's xSmartImage, it's the name. So we can include the tag in our source code, and I have prepared an image loadout.png. If we add it to our code and look to our test page, we get that image. Now, when we inspect that image and we reload, you will see that the file is memory cached, so it's cached in your browser. You also see that that image gets a hashed name. That's in fact the cache hash that the file gets as a name, but you can change that. You can add a data source attribute to your tag, and that will make more sense, so the file will get a better name. Okay, so branding.png is now the name of the file. You see, the first time we rename it, it's not cached, but if we reload, the file is memory cached. Now you can use Smart also to serve public hosted images, so we will pick this image. And use it in our own code. So we'll duplicate this, and the source is that file, and we say we want it to be 400 pixels, and its name should be smart.png. So now when we reload our page, you see we have smart.png and it's cached. So it's now from the memory cache. If you resize that image, you see it will be bigger, but because of the cache, it's now a little bit fuzzy. I will clear my cache. So that's the browser cache. I will clear my browser cache. And now you see it's crisp, sharp, and it's 95 kilobytes. When we refresh, it's memory cached. So we have two caching mechanisms. You have the Laravel cache that caches the image on the server side. That's why I tried to clear my server cache. And you have your browser cache. So if the image is served for a second time, the browser will take care of caching your images. So that is in fact the purpose of Smart. I hope you enjoyed my video and see you in the next video. Bye.